Good day and good morning, everybody. This is Ayo Bamishe from the ICT department of the school. Now, I want to take you around how to navigate from the learning community to the school website, because as time goes on, we'll be having online tests. You can take your exam, you can take your assignments as students, as parents. You can check the performance of your child from the school website, and from this learning community you can navigate or go to the school website from this page. And how are you going to do that? This is the learning community. Just click on online test, and at the same time, that is, if you have logged in, or if you have not logged in, that does not mean that you can navigate that. Since you know this the link to this site, just click on online test. You understand? Online test. When you click on online test, the thing will definitely bring you to this site. It will redirect you automatically to the school website, and it now depends on where you are going. You know, this is this high school website link, and this is the primary school website link. So when you click on high school link, when you click on it like this, it will definitely bring you down to this place. Are you getting my point? So you can see a lot of things are on the high school site. We have the about us, you have the why us, you have our portal, you have our gallery, and you have our contact. You can see the address of the school and everything that are needed as an information about the school. Likewise, on this portion, you can check your world's result. Are you getting my point? You can take their result. This is the home page of the high school. This is the home page. This is a gallery. You can see a lot of things. You can see a lot of things here. You can see it. This is what students and parents say about us. Like that. So we have our social media here too. Our social media link. They are all here. These are YouTube, these are Instagram, these are Twitter, and they are just like that. They are here. And from here, let me explain to us. As an administrator, one can link to the portal here, and as a staff, this is where to enter this staff portal. When you click on staff portal like this, it will redirect you to another link. Yes, so this is the staff portal. It will be asking you for your login details. You can see it's asking you for your login details. And as a student too, are you getting my point? As a student, when you click on student portal, you will see that it will take you to an environment where you can log into your own portal, personal portal. Likewise, our parents too can do that too. This is the parent portal. When you click on parent portal, the details to log into your portal will be supplied. As we are continuing this process, will be supplied for you to be able to see the performance of your children, and maybe the test they have taken, their attendance and the likes. Everything is here. Even as time goes on, we'll be getting what we are saying. So as a parent, we will supply you with your ID and your password to navigate, to log into your portal. So the remaining ones are for administrators, admission, alumni, and the likes. But the majorly for now, for you, for staff, for student, and for parent, you can log into the portal and do one thing or the other. Likewise, on the primary school portal, it looks alike. Are you getting what I'm saying? It looks alike. So this is the portal portion of the primary school section. For staff, if you click on here now, it will take you to the staff portion, staff environment, where you can log in as a staff. Likewise, as a student, as a parent, everything is there for us to use. It's not difficult to do at all. It's not difficult. They are very, very easy. Thank you so much. So in the next video, I'll be taking us around for how to use the portal as a parent, how to use the portal as a staff, how to use the portal as a student. Thank you so much.